Welcome back to Tech Vibes. Today we're fixing God of War Ragnarok PS5 game crashes and freezes. First, make sure your PS5 is completely powered off. Unplug the PS5 power cable from the wall for a full 30 seconds. Disconnect the HDMI cable from the PS5 to prevent signal issues. Place your PS5 on a stable, flat surface for easy access. Check the PS5 USB ports for any dust or debris. Gently blow air or use a microfiber cloth to clean the PS5 ports. Inspect the PS5 game disc for scratches if you're using a physical copy. If using a digital copy, make sure your PS5 storage has enough free space. Press and hold the PS button on your PS5 controller to ensure it's paired. If the PS5 controller doesn't respond, connect it with a USB cable. Turn on your PS5 and watch the power indicator carefully. If the PS5 freezes on startup, hold the power button until it fully shuts down. Boot your PS5 into safe mode by holding the power button for 7 seconds. In PS5 safe mode, select Rebuild Database to fix corrupted game files. Connect your PS5 controller to the console via USB before selecting any safe mode options. Let your PS5 rebuild the database. This may take several minutes. Once the PS5 finishes, restart the console normally. Launch God of War Ragnarok on your PS5 to see if the issue persists. If it still crashes, check your PS5 system software for updates. Go to Settings, System Software on your PS5. Select System Software Update and Settings to update your PS5 firmware. Always ensure the PS5 is connected to a stable internet connection during updates. After updating, restart your PS5 to apply the changes. Try launching God of War Ragnarok again on your PS5. If freezes continue, clear the PS5 cache by fully powering off and unplugging it again. Wait 1 to 2 minutes before plugging the PS5 back in. Turn on your PS5 and test the game once more. Inspect the PS5 external storage if you're using an SSD or HDD for the game. Disconnect any external storage devices and try running God of War Ragnarok from the PS5 internal drive. Check your PS5 network settings to ensure smooth online gameplay. Go to Settings, Network on the PS5 and test your internet connection. If your PS5 downloads, updates slowly, pause and resume to stabilize the download. Free up PS5 storage by deleting unused games or apps. Make sure your PS5's HDMI cable is securely connected to your TV. Switch to a different HDMI port if the PS5 still shows freezes. Inspect the PS5 power cable for damage or loose connections. Try a different power outlet for your PS5. If crashes persist, consider reinstalling God of War Ragnarok on your PS5. Delete the game from the PS5 and reinstall from disk or PlayStation Store. Make sure your PS5 is fully updated before reinstalling the game. Test the PS5 with another game to confirm if the issue is game-specific. If the PS5 handles other games fine, the problem is isolated to God of War Ragnarok. Contact PlayStation support if God of War Ragnarok still crashes on your PS5. Keep your PS5 firmware updated to prevent future game freezes. Regularly clean your PS5 ports and fans to maintain optimal performance. Always keep your PS5 controller charged to avoid connection drops. Consider using PS5 rest mode for quick power cycles between gameplay sessions. Test God of War Ragnarok one last time to confirm the PS5 is stable. That's it. Your PS5 should now run God of War Ragnarok smoothly without crashes or freezes.